In the contemporary, fast-paced world, many individuals find themselves ensnared in a sedentary routine due to the demands of their hectic work schedules. Long hours spent seated at desks, attending meetings, or commuting can exact a toll on one's general health and overall well-being. Nonetheless, liberating oneself from this cycle is imperative not only for sustaining a robust metabolism but also for enhancing the overall quality of life. This composition delves into the significance of physical movement, offering pragmatic suggestions for seamlessly integrating it into a bustling day. Unraveling the trap of sedentary living. Sedentary conduct, characterized by extended periods of sitting or inactivity, has been correlated with an array of health complications, encompassing obesity, cardiovascular ailments, and disruptions in metabolic functioning. Prolonged periods of sitting lead to a deceleration of metabolism, resulting in diminished calorie expenditure and an elevated susceptibility to weight gain. Moreover, prolonged sitting can detrimentally influence blood sugar levels, fostering insulin resistance and heightening the susceptibility to type 2 diabetes. Harnessing the potential of motion. Integrating motion into one's daily regimen can wield a transformative influence on overall health. Physical activity not only revitalizes metabolism but also amplifies energy levels, uplifts mood, and enhances cognitive acuity. Even the smallest bouts of activity can wield considerable influence. Pointers for infusing movement into a hectic lifestyle. Exercise intervals. Employ alarms as reminders to stand up, stretch, and move about for a few minutes every hour. Uncomplicated exercises such as leg lifts, seated marches, and shoulder rotations can enhance blood circulation and mitigate stiffness. Walking discussions. Instead of conducting meetings in a seated position, propose the concept of walking meetings. This approach can spur innovative thinking and offer a refreshing change of surroundings. Midday walks. Capitalize on your lunch break as an occasion to embark on a brisk walk. Extend invitations to colleagues, fostering accountability and facilitating social interaction. Staircase fitness. If situated in a multi-story edifice, favor staircases over elevators. Ascending stairs provides an excellent means to activate muscles and elevate heart rate. Micro-workouts. Divide the day into smaller segments and allocate a few minutes to exercise. For instance, perform squats or lunges while awaiting coffee brewing or execute calf raises while brushing teeth. Elevated desks. Whenever feasible, consider investing in an elevated desk. Alternating between sitting and standing throughout the day can mitigate the adverse consequences of prolonged sitting. Active commute. When viable, contemplate bicycling, walking, or employing public transportation for daily commutes. This inclusion of regular physical activity into routines is instrumental. Leveraging technology. Avail fitness apps or activity trackers to monitor daily movement and establish objectives. Numerous apps proffer guided workouts suitable for brief periods. Stretching regimen. Dedicate several minutes each morning or evening to stretching exercises. Stretching ameliorates flexibility, alleviates muscular tension, and fosters circulation. Weekend pursuits. Capitalize on weekends by engaging in outdoor pursuits like hiking, cycling, or partaking in sports. This not only facilitates exercise but also permits relaxation and rejuvenation. In summation, breaking free from the grip of a sedentary pattern is pivotal for reinvigorating metabolism and nurturing comprehensive well-being, particularly in the lives of busy individuals. By assimilating motion into everyday routines, one can experience elevated energy levels, improved mood, and optimized metabolic performance. Bear in mind that even minor modifications wield significant influence over time. Hence, embrace those exercise intervals, embrace active commuting, and discover inventive avenues to keep moving. Your physique and mind will express gratitude. Good health is all about creating good habits. I will see you in my next episode.